情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。
來送你吃。
这是什么？国外带回来的东西吗？
剛出國回來的禮物。
Nice, thank you, 安子 say。我們就教這個好了。
好啊。
出國 ，going abroad or going out of the country. How do you say that?
出國。
出國 ，Okay, that means to go abroad, go on a trip. 出國，出國要記得帶護照。That's number one. Always remember to bring your passport when you're going abroad, right?
出國愛記得。
出國愛記得
帶護照。
帶護照 ，OK， 護照就是護照。That's a passport, okay? So remember， 記得記得。
對。
那我之前才出國旅遊啊 ，I just traveled abroad not too long ago.
愛之前。
愛之前。
剛出國去旅行。
剛出國去旅行。才剛剛去旅行了哈，旅行 that means to travel. All right, very good. If you're going abroad, now you can learn some of these phrases, such as going abroad or going out of the country. 出國，
出國，
出國. Don't forget your passport. 護照，
護照，
護照. And finally, to travel. 旅遊，
旅行，
旅行. Have a good trip and remember to bring some gifts back, like Alice did for me when you go abroad. Okay, that is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.